Guys, so I come to you guys with this oldie but goodie makeup look. I don't know if you guys remember my old GEEK look, so I decided to recreate another one, and this one is like my favorite because I love pink, so I decided to recreate it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a like and be nice and share this video if you guys liked it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off with my eyes first, because on my last video I did the mistake of doing my whole face while I was doing bright colors, and I did get fallout, so I had to redo my under eyes. So in this video I decided to do my eyes first, and then I will be doing the rest of my face. So I am using the Milk Makeup jumbo pencil. You guys know the OG eye primer, so I decided to go ahead and use that. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with, sorry my brush is really dirty, but I'm gonna start off with the white shadow, and I'm just going to apply this right into the inner corner of the eyes. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was thinking this white shadow would be more pigmented and, you know, less fallout, but yeah, I had to actually apply it a few times just to get it to look white. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use another Morphe brush. I do have a discount code prettygrace for some money off if you guys are interested, and I'm using the pink shadow in the palette. I will try to post the color that I use because I know that it is zoomed in, and I wanted to kind of show you guys exactly what I was doing, so I had to zoom in the camera so you guys can definitely see, but I didn't check that I wasn't in focus. So I'm going to use this like burgundy-ish color, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, and I'm going to bring it in like a cut crease. I am like shocked that it actually came out right, because I haven't done cut creases in a long time, especially like these ones. I haven't done any of those because they're really not in my comfort zone anymore. Call me crazy, but ever since like now that I have 3 kids, it's just, I don't know, I feel like this is not the type of makeup that I want to wear out for some reason. But yeah, it was fun to actually recreate this. And yeah, so I'm going to be using a little bit of the black shadow, and I'm going to kind of follow that crease, cut crease that I did, and then go back with that burgundy shade again and try to just blend it out. And you can do it as dramatic as you want or not. Then I'm just going with this brush and just going to blend out any harsh line. I am going to be going back and forth applying color and blending out, because that's what I usually do all the time anyways. So yeah, and then I didn't even realize, but since I was using pink and all the fallout was coming out, it actually stained my skin, so I ended up looking pink reddish on my face. So yeah, anyways, all right, so we will go back and retouch everything that needs to be retouched. So I believe here I am going to apply my lashes, I think, if I'm doing. Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm doing. So I like to put the glue on there and then wiggle the lashes a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and start off with my face. I will be zooming out so you guys can definitely see what I'm doing to my face. But yeah, so I'm just retouching, and I'm using this new product. I have no idea. It just got to my house, and I'm like, okay, I want to try this out. So yeah, so I use that as a primer. I applied it all over my face. Then I'm going with the Cover FX blurring primer. So I will be showing you guys in a little bit. I will be zooming out. Yeah, so just applying this onto my face. All right, so yeah, so I'm going to use my foundation. This one is my m.a.c 35 foundation with my Juno. As you guys can see, my face is a little red because of the fallout, but it's okay because we're going to go ahead and cover it out. Cover it up with the foundation. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. Make sure that everything's really nice and blended. I do take my time, but I did have to fast forward this because I did take a lot of time to apply the foundation, just because I really want it to be like in every little crack, every little crease or anything. So yeah, so before I kept going, I decided to apply my lash because it looked like it was drying already. So yeah, and it's a lot easier to apply lashes when you're not wearing fake nails. So, and I'm just doing my forehead. I did do my eyebrows before because honestly I don't know why I feel like I'm out of my my inspiration. I don't even want to do my eyebrows, guys. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. I am using the Too Faced Vanilla in the color Vanilla, and I'm just applying this in the wherever I want to highlight. I don't know, for some reason in this camera my foundation looks yellow. We already tried changing like the settings in it, and I don't know what it is, but it just, I don't know if it's the lights or what it is, but I look yellow, but I assure you guys in person it doesn't look like that. So anyways, I'm just applying this and blending it out, making sure that it's really nice and blended and it doesn't get creasy on me or anything like that. The good thing about this is that it doesn't. So yeah. And then I'm just going to go back after blending everything out. I'm going to go ahead and set it with the Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. You guys know that's my all-time favorite. So I'm going to go and set my face. So I'm just using a Morphe brush and just applying this all over my face. Then I use my Judo sponge to apply it under the eyes just to make sure that it's set and that I don't get any creases or anything like that. I really like this sponge because it's like velvety. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a really nice brush. So sponge. After that, I go with my brush and I just blend everything out just to make sure everything is really nice and blended. Then I'm going with my Benefit Cheerleader palette, and I'm using the bronzer, the Hoola bronzer from that palette. And then I'm just going to apply this where I usually apply it, just to make my face look a little bit slimmer. And I'm just doing my jawline, my cheekbones, and a little bit on the temples. Let me know in the comments down below how do you guys bronze and contour. I know we all do it differently because we all have different face shapes. So I've been doing this for so long, so this is like natural to me. So I'm just going and contouring my nose a little bit just to make my nose to look like I can breathe. And then applying a little bit of setting powder around the nose just to set it a little bit, and then I just do it for a little bit. Then I'm going with that blush from that same palette and just going to apply this a little bit. It doesn't really show, but it does have like a little bit of shimmer to it, so I kind of need to have a little bit of blush. So I don't know, I just need to find the right blush for me because honestly I don't have a good one. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. This one is from the Veramona. I will link them down below, their highlighter. It is so pretty. I love it. So I'm just applying this right onto my cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin, temples, well, above my eyebrow, and then the bridge of my nose and on my nose as well. So you don't have to apply highlighter as much as I do. I know you guys don't really like too much highlighter, but I like highlighter. So everybody does their makeup differently, and I like mine. So yeah, definitely if you don't like it too much highlight, you don't have to do as much as I do. But yeah, so then I'm going with the Kush mascara, and I'm going to apply this just to coat my lashes to my falsies. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm just going with the pink shadow, applying this right onto the bottom lash line and bringing it inwards a little bit. And do take my time doing this as well, because since I don't have any setting powder, I don't want it to kind of stain my foundation, and then I'm gonna look pink. So yeah. Then I'm going with that burgundy shade that I used on my crease, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that just to give it a little bit of depth. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of that white in the inner corners as well. And I think that's about it. Girl, what you doing? Oh, I'm gonna apply a little bit of my brow from Benefit just to help it, because I feel like the eyeshadow got onto it and it messed up the hair. So I'm just combing them through. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to lipstick. So I'm going to use the San Marcel liquid lipstick. This actually dried up already. I've only used it a few times and it already dried up, so it's kind of weird. But I really like the color because it kind of matches my shirt. So I'm just applying this. And as you guys can see, I was kind of having a difficult time taking some out. So